So I am Partha, and I am product lead here at Eightfold. The thing that excites me most about Eightfold is that it's a mission-driven company. That's number one. And second, we have assembled one of the smartest teams imaginable in the space of talent tech. And we are solving for an obvious but a hard problem using best-in-class machine learning. And you combine all of this and you get rocket ship growth. So all of this together makes for working with Eightfold great. The most fun project, I think the hackathons have been fun. Worked on at least 3 or 4 hackathons here. It's always exciting when teams get together from various parts of the company, and not just within the company, but even our customers join us for the hackathons. And it's always exciting to put together something that solves the problem for the customer in just under a day. My parents, it's been very easy for me to explain what I do at Eightfold. I just say that we are matching people to the right job. I would say the best partner for me right now is Divendra, who is the tech lead with me on my talent acquisition project. So